Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be talking about creating a money mindset that leads to financial success. Before we dive into the strategies and tips for developing a positive money mindset, let's talk about why this is so important. Many of us have had experiences where we felt overwhelmed by money, whether it's due to debt, financial instability, or just a general lack of confidence when it comes to managing our finances. But here's the thing, our mindset plays a huge role in our financial success. In fact, studies have shown that people with a positive money mindset are more likely to achieve their financial goals and experience financial success. So, how can we develop a positive money mindset? Here are a few strategies to get you started. First is practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health can have a positive impact on your financial well-being as well. Make sure to prioritize self-care activities like exercise, healthy eating, and meditation to help reduce stress and improve overall financial health. Second is focus on progress, not perfection. It's important to remember that building a positive money mindset is a journey, not a destination. Don't be too hard on yourself if you make mistakes or encounter setbacks along the way. Instead, focus on making progress and learning from your experiences. Third is surround yourself with positivity. Seek out positive and supportive people in your life who can help reinforce your positive money mindset. This can include friends, family members, or financial professionals who can provide encouragement and guidance as you work towards your financial goals. Fourth is practice gratitude. In addition to focusing on abundance, make sure to also practice gratitude for the financial blessings in your life. This can help shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance, and can also help you appreciate the progress you've made towards your financial goals. Fifth is learn to say no. Sometimes, saying no to certain opportunities or expenses can be just as important as saying yes to others. Make sure to prioritize your financial goals and values, and be willing to say no to opportunities or expenses that don't align with those goals. Sixth is practice mindfulness. In addition to daily meditation or reflection practices, try to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine by being present and fully engaged in your activities and interactions throughout the day, rather than constantly thinking about money or other financial concerns. Seventh is embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of the learning process, and can actually be a valuable opportunity for growth and learning. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as a chance to learn and improve, and use it as a stepping stone towards your financial goals. Eighth is focus on the process, not the outcome. Rather than fixating on the end result, focus on the process of achieving your financial goals, and the steps you need to take to get there, rather than the outcome itself, which can help reduce stress and improve overall financial health and well-being over time as you work towards your goals step by step, rather than feeling overwhelmed by the end result. Ninth is practice forgiveness. If you've made financial mistakes in the past, practice forgiveness and self-compassion, rather than beating yourself up over those mistakes. Remember that everyone makes mistakes, and that forgiveness and self-compassion can help improve overall financial health and well-being over time by reducing stress and promoting a positive money mindset. 10th is stay motivated. Stay motivated and focused on your financial goals by reminding yourself of the reasons behind those goals, and the positive impact they can have on your life and the lives of those around you. This can help reinforce a positive money mindset over time, and can also help improve overall financial health and well-being by promoting a sense of purpose and motivation towards achieving those goals. And finally, celebrate your financial successes, no matter how small. This can help you stay motivated and build confidence in your ability to manage your money. So, There you have it, a few strategies for developing a positive money mindset. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies for achieving financial success and developing a positive money mindset. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and stay successful.